Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Janoy with Trading the Charts and Trading the Charts Pro. Actually, today I'm just going to talk about a quick trade that I took that cost me $5,600 and gave me a return of 5,898.45 cents. That's 100% return on this trade that I basically took for 10 days because I entered this trade on May 27 and I exited this trade on June 9th. So for 10 days, I was able to gain 100% return on a small investment of $5,600, which brought my capital up to $11,499. Guys, I don't know where you can get that kind of return anywhere. I don't know um, a wealth manager that is going to give you this kind of return. But what I do know is that if you learn how to trade the stock market, learn how to trade options, learn how to trade futures, you have the opportunity of generating this kind of income for yourself. All right, so let's get into this trade. Basically, I took a trade on Boeing, pulling up the chart. I took a trade on Boeing on the 27, which was this day, using a call option. I bought the 125 call option January, expiring January 2022. The reason I went that far out is because I really wanted this trade to be an investment because I was really thinking about holding this for a very long period of time. But in 9 days, this trade went up all the way up here. And as you can see on the 9th, which was this day, price was starting to come back down. So I really had to ask myself, what more am I expecting? If I have a 100% return, how much more do I really want? And at that time, it was very clear to me that it was time to ring the cash register. So I ring the cash register and brought the troops home. So today, I basically have not 5,600. I now have 11,400 and something to take an opportunity in another trade whenever the time presents itself. So basically, I'm gonna implore everyone that is extremely important that if you're learning to trade the stock market, you wanna get all the tools because just like a builder building a house, he cannot use a hammer to solve every problem. He need a saw, he need a level, he need nails, he needs a variety of tools to get the job done. So learning how to trade options is one very powerful tool that you can add to your toolkit. In 10 days, I was able to generate a 100% return on just one contract. Think about the power of that. And the beauty is that if I was supposed to buy the stock, at the time the stock was trading for $150, if I was supposed to buy that 100 share, because in options, one contract controls 100 shares, the cost for me to enter that trade would actually be $15,000. So if I only wanted to buy the stock, I would have to come up with $15,000 just to buy 100 shares, which I was able to do using options for way less. Way less. I was able to use 5,600 compared to 15,000 to get in the very same trade. And over here, with the options, I was able to generate a 100% return. If I had spent $15,000 to get in the trade and I turn around and make 5,000 something, that is not 100% based on the amount of capital that I have to put at risk to gain this return. So that is the part of using options or knowing how to trade options. And also, while you're trading options, there is risk. The risk is time decay. In this sense, I was actually able to offset the risk by using a 2 year leap option, which basically that means that Boeing would have to move above the 150 within 2 years, or if it didn't do that, then at that time there would be a potential of me losing the 100% of the capital. So I implore you, learn how to use all the tools so you can have multiple tools in your toolkit so you can approach the market from many different angles. If you like the content that I'm putting out here on this channel, I ask you please like and subscribe to this page so that when my next video comes out, you'll be the first to get notified. I look forward to seeing you in the channel.